The best kept secret is often something elusive, hidden beneath the surface of everyday life, waiting to be discovered. It's the kind of secret that, when revealed, has the power to change perspectives, inspire awe, or shift an entire worldview. In many cases, these secrets are found in unexpected places, whether it's a local spot offering exceptional food, a little known book that resonates deeply, or a technique that brings about remarkable results in a craft or hobby. Sometimes the best kept secret is less about tangible things and more about ways of thinking. It could be a mindset or philosophy that leads to personal growth, resilience, or creative breakthroughs. The value of mindfulness, or the practice of taking the time to reflect, for instance, may be simple but profoundly impactful, yet it often remains overlooked in the rush of daily life. Another best kept secret is the potential for connection. In a world that sometimes, feels disconnected, authentic human connection and kindness sometimes is the most powerful tool for happiness and fulfillment. This kind of secret doesn't require grand gestures, but instead thrives in small everyday actions. Ultimately, the best kept secrets are the ones that enrich life in subtle, meaningful ways, waiting patiently for those who are ready to discover them.